Nowadays, many trees have fallen out because of deforestation and illegal logging. We are not aware of what will be the consequences of this activity. To stop this kind of activity, we must first educate ourselves on how important trees are. We must protect nature at all costs because it is the only thing that can help us survive in the survival world. If we protect nature, we also protect ourselves.
Our livelihoods, recreation, and the health of marine systems depend on clean water. We should limit our usage of water, avoid pesticides and fertilizers, and make your voice heard when local water bodies are endangered by pollution.
Zero Waste is an advocacy campaign that aims to guide people in changing their lifestyle and practices towards a sustainable system in an ethical, economical, and effective ways, and to ensure that waste became valuable for other uses. As we care for our nature, let's practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. As we preserve life, we conserve nature for the near future.
Cleanliness is important, for it builds up a healthy environment that facilitates physical and mental well-being growth. Cleaning the environment is the key to existence and survival of life on planet Earth. Maintaining a clean environment reduces pollution, preserves our biospheres, and also helps preserve the Earth's natural resources.
Let us all encourage and be a role model for others to be responsible of our waste disposal by picking up trash on our surroundings and dispose it into the garbage properly. These simple ways can help to preserve our environment.
Plastics, cans, papers, and other waste materials are everywhere, and I think it's time to clean up the mess we made.
Nature has suffered too much, and we have been neglecting our only home for years. It has given us many things, and we are only taking and abusing all of them. The least we could do now is give back what it has given to us without expecting anything in return. We are the hope of this world, and His astounding creations could only be safe when we act together. Responding to the voice of creation entails a great deal of responsibility because God obligated us to care for it. He is the one who created all. That is why I and you must have unity to protect the creation of the Lord.